Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and in this video I'm showing you the Spring Charm paper collection by Craft a Clock. I am so excited about this collection, so I'm going to show you right away. I'm not even going to wait, but here is the 12 by 12. You get 6 sheets. This paper is from Poland. It is made in Poland and can be purchased in the United States from Sandpaper Road. Look at these beautiful springtime papers. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just look at them. I love them so much. I love them so much. This color combination is, I haven't seen it yet in any previous Craft a Clock paper collection at all. So although I can, in my mind, I can think of a lot of combinations that will complement this paper collection, I haven't seen this type of, with the pinks and the yellows and the peach and the turquoise teal type combination. Look at the music notes. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Yeah, that's really nice. That's really, really nice. Gorgeous. Gorgeous for spring. So you've got the 12 by 12. We've also got it in the 8 by 8. And it's the exact same. Now the 12 by 12 has 6 sheets. The 8 by 8 has 24 sheets. That means you get this bonus sheet here of cut aparts plus all of the same, look at that, papers scaled down to 8 by 8. This is the perfect collection if you do a lot of mini album making, that kind of thing. And then it just repeats, okay? So you get 24 sheets there. And then this is probably the thing I'm most excited about in what Craft a Clock has done new, is they've created to coordinate with all of their upcoming, like new paper collections, right? They've created a basic paper set that complements the collection. So this, you've got 3 cut aparts on the back of the packaging, and then you've got, how many sheets are in here? You've got 18 sheets in here, and these are 6 by 12. So you get 3 of each design. And these are basic papers that complement the colors and patterns of this particular collection. And isn't that nice? So you don't have the flowery images like that you have in the 6 by 6, the 8 by 8. These are just basic papers. In other words, if you, and then it repeats, if you make, I say this again, if you make mini albums, this is what you need. You will love having this along with it. It is sized perfectly to be the base paper, not the cardstock, or that when you're making the pages, but just to cover the album with the base paper, and then you can use the collection pages to enhance and embellish and that kind of thing. It's really just absolutely perfect. And if you're a card maker, these fold right in half to make your card base, to make a 6 by 6 card base. It's just perfect. I'm so happy that they did this. I'm so happy that they did this. Then we have the junk journal set. Love the junk journal. This has 12 sheets, and you've got some mini envelopes, pockets, things like that, that really, if you're making mini albums, junk journals, cards, scrapbook layouts, look how easy that is to make a pocket. You just cut that, fold the tabs down, and you're done. And of course, double-sided and cut aparts here, perfect for all your different project needs. I love the tickets so much. So 12 sheets there. All these are sold separately. And then we have the Spring Charm Extras set. These are fussy cut elements, although they do work in your Brother scan and cut machine if you have a scan and cut where it can cut out things for you. And they have one side that is the images outlined in white with a dark background, and then the same image on the opposite side. So you're talking double-sided images. Look at the Easter bunnies and the chicks and the eggs and the churches, folks. The churches. I mean, no stamping, just a little cutting. And this is really a good bang for your buck, I think, because you've got all these images. You don't have to cut them all out at once like I do. I enjoy the fussy cutting just in general, but yeah, you could certainly just cut out what you need as needed. And I like that they included some of these. These are similar from a very much earlier collection that they kind of recycled back in but improved. And I like that they did that. And same with these little violins. Look at the purple violins though, and the books. And I love that purple to go along with it. Very elegant looking. And these are new. These are new. I have not seen before. The teapots and the flower pots and the lanterns and the little glass bottles. Love that so much. And then it repeats. So you get 2 each of these. And then finally available in the Spring Charm collection is the Flowers Extras set. And this also is 12 sheets, and you get 2 of each with some tags extras on the back of the packaging. Look at these flowers. Same thing with the double-sided images in a variety of complementary colors. Look at that color palette. I love it. I love it. And the beautiful spring wreaths and the bees, folks. I haven't yet seen bees in Craft a Clock papers. Oh my goodness, the bees. Beautiful, beautiful. Dragonflies and things like that. This would even be great for your wedding and anniversary and sympathy cards. Let's not forget the sympathy cards. So you get 2 each, and there are 12 sheets in that pack. So definitely check out the links below. I will also link up here at the top to the entire collection that you could just go right over to it and see what is there. Hurry, hurry before they are out of stock. So again, like I said, these come from Poland, so get them quick before they are gone. Thanks so much for tuning in, and stay tuned to see projects made with this collection. Head over to sandpaperroad.com for details on how to pick up your Spring Charm Paper collection by Craft a Clock. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.